Writing a PhD synopsis is a critical step in your academic journey. It's a snapshot of your research, outlining objectives, methods, and significance. Here's how to do it. First, understand the purpose. Your synopsis isn't just a summary. It's a blueprint for your research that academic committees will review to assess your project's viability. Next, structure it properly. Start with a clear title, followed by an introduction, a brief literature review, and clearly defined research objectives. Include your hypothesis, detailed methodology, and outline the scope and limitations. Finish with the expected outcomes and references. When writing, be concise and focused on your research question. Use clear language and avoid jargon. Highlight the significance of your research and make sure every section aligns with your main question. Finally, avoid common mistakes like being vague, overloading with details, or ignoring your institution's guidelines. A well-crafted synopsis not only communicates your research plan effectively, but also sets a strong foundation for your PhD thesis. Good luck!